Black rice or forbidden rice or Chinese rice is a rare and a very old variety of rice which has been grown in India for centuries. It is mainly grown in the northeast called as Chakau and the southern parts called as Kavuni Tamil of India. Simply put, when looking at rice varieties, look at the color of the rice. The darker the shade of rice, the more nutrition it has. By that yardstick, black rice is the gold standard in rice varieties. So let us look at some of the health benefits of this amazing rice. 1. Heart health. A regular consumption of black rice retards the formation of atherosclerotic plaque in the arteries. This helps in keeping the arteries clear, allows smooth blood flow, and prevents stroke and heart attack. Hyperglycemia and altered lipid profile increase the risk of heart diseases. Anthocyanins and other nourishing compounds present in black rice maintain a healthy blood glucose, cholesterol, and triglyceride level. Hence, it reduces the chances of cardiovascular disease. 2. Blood glucose levels. Studies have shown that whole grains can help slow digestion and regulate glucose release into the bloodstream. This is better than processed versions whose fiber and most nutrients have been stripped off and thus can easily cause a spike in blood sugar. Chronically elevated blood sugar is a major risk factor for weight gain, obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. In one study, white rice was more likely to contribute to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes than brown rice. This also applies to black rice. 3. Weight loss. Black rice has characteristics that are essential for weight management and weight loss. It is low in calories, low in carbohydrates, and high in dietary fiber. Thus, it makes you feel full and keeps hunger pangs at bay. In fact, a study conducted in Korea tested the difference in weight loss brought about by white rice and a mix of brown rice and black rice in 40 overweight women in 6 weeks. At the end of the study, they found that the brown or black rice group showed significantly higher weight loss and lower body mass index and body fat percentage than the group that consumed white rice. This just goes to show that both brown and black rice can work exceptionally well in diet therapy for obsessed women. 4. Preventing risk of diabetes. To ward off the risk of diabetes and obesity, it is advised to consume whole grains instead of just refined carbohydrates. The entire bran of the grain is where all of the fiber is stored in the black rice. The fiber is able to help glucose or sugar from the grain to be absorbed by the body over a longer duration of time, since fiber takes a longest time to digest, thereby maintaining consistent sugar levels. 5. Liver health. Excess intake of high-fat diet causes accumulation of fat in the liver, leading to an non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Anthocyanins in black rice reduces the storage of fat in the liver. They assist healthy liver cell regeneration and restore the normal structure and function of the liver. A high-fat diet induces oxidative stress and inflammation, which worsens the health of the liver. Anthocyanins, being an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent in nature, ameliorate a hepatic fatty liver and reduce the weight of the liver too.